How to make a host in the characters in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have the characters, and these characters have the host. And I will open this skeleton, and yeah, you can see here also have the host. And now I will open this one and open these characters, and yeah, and these characters don't have the host. And I will select model, select polycarp, and yeah, you can see our character is cutting now. And the next thing, I will change this the polygon scale. Maybe it's a little bit small. And now I will change this view, and I will rotation this curve and rotation it, and I will drag this host for a position. Maybe it's here. I can rotate it again, maybe just a little bit. Maybe I can drag this host to here. And then next, you can change this width, and also you can change this scale. And here I can change this one, and also you can change this shape to change the scale. And also you can select any one you want, and you can change another values in here. And yeah, we have another host here, and just apply to accept and save it. And I will drag these characters into our scene. And yeah, you can see our characters have another host now. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.